Hey guys, Maria Shonen here. Sorry for the bad lighting, but I'm really excited to tell you guys about a great feature that the iPhone has. So if you have an iOS, I believe 11, you can now screen capture, video record what you're doing on your phone. So it's really exciting. You can be shooting yourself, nature around you, or just whatever you're doing on your phone. Like for example, I like to do Sudoku tutorials, so I go into my Sudoku app and just do a quick shoot and then upload it to YouTube. So it's really exciting. I'm going to show you how to do it. So basically you put your hand on the top right corner of your phone, drag it down, and here's the button. So this little button right here, that red that's blinking, so what you do is press and hold, and then it'll do a countdown 3, 2, 1, and it will start recording for you. So if you see the little red up at the top, it means that you are live. So what happens when you notice, hey, I shot my video but there is no sound? Here is the solution. So again, here top right corner, and what you will do is you'll actually, before you shoot, you press and hold, and it'll open up a little menu, and it'll say turn on the microphone. So you turn on your microphone, and then you press and hold, 3, 2, 1 countdown, and you will have sound. So now that you have that and you want to upload your video to YouTube, do not go to the YouTube app and start uploading. I know that's the simplest thing to do, but what I've discovered is I uploaded 2 videos and then I hit play, and then, you know, after doing all the work of typing in all the keywords, the title, the description, I noticed there is no sound, and I was like, what did I do wrong? Is there an issue? And I actually looked up other YouTube bloggers trying to find the solution, and there's a few complicated ones, and some people don't even know a solution. And so you know, I didn't want to download another app, and so I actually found one. So leave that YouTube app and go into your pictures, and let me show you what to do. So do not upload from YouTube. You know, this is what not to do, because then you hit this library, your videos up here, and then so don't do that, because it won't do sound. So what you need to do is actually go to your photos, and then down here, the little box and arrow up, you're gonna select which video you want, and then hit the YouTube app. And if it asks you to sign in, do title, description, standard or HD. You have to be in Wi-Fi to do that. Put your tags in, select the category, because if you're doing education, put education, not comedy. If you're doing comedy, all right. And then you hit publish. And so I noticed that I actually have sound when I do that. So I hope that I helped you, and hopefully I'm the first YouTuber to discover this trick, because I know it can be annoying, but it's great. You figured out how to now screenshot. So I'll show you what I do with Sudoku. So I go in there and you know, open it, and then show people how to do it. If you're interested, I have some videos on there how to play, but I hope you have a lot of fun uploading. It's so much easier now. Now you don't have to, you know, take your cord, connect it to your laptop, try to upload it, and then from your laptop you upload to YouTube. That's a whole lot of effort. It's now so much easier to have this screenshot right on your phone, screen record, and then upload directly to YouTube. So I hope you guys get a ton of value from this. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, comments, please put them below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.